Get into the 2014 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Position yourself to make the most of every fuel dollar with this super efficient Camry Hybrid. Its smooth, premium feel, responsive handling, cutting-edge safety and infotainment tech, and alluring style make it the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Don't compromise. Get everything you want in a premium family sedan, plus hybrid efficiency with this smart and stylish Camry Hybrid. We're committed to making your driving life the best it can be. Stop in today.